Hey love, so for this tutorial you'll need needles, scissors, elastic band, some thread, and some clips, a comb, and I'm going to be using the curved needle to customize the wig. So you want to measure the back of your head, and then whatever measurement you get, you want to cut off at least a quarter of that measurement. And this is what my measurement was, and I didn't want the elastic band to be too thick, so I cut mine's a little bit smaller. And then you're just gonna sew it on. Right on top of the tracks that you sewed on the back. So this is the wig flipped backwards. So this is the inside of the wig. And it should come out like this. So when you sew the other side, you want to stretch the elastic band so it'll be in the position that you want it to be. And you just cut off the needle and thread, and this is what the elastic band should look like. This will give you a more secure feeling to your wig. And then now we're going to work on the closure. So basically you're going to cut off the piece that's right up under the closure. You want to make sure that you don't cut the thread on the side of the cap, because then your closure will detach from your cap. And this will give you a natural look. And then we're going to take the clips. I didn't want it too close to the edge because I didn't want it pulling on my edges. So I moved it up a little bit more. And I'm just going to sew both ends of the clip. I didn't want it to be too like sewn on to the cap, because then it wouldn't like flow with my hair and it'll be pulling on my edges and stuff. So yeah, that's all you're doing. You're just sewing the clips onto the cap on each side. And then after you do that, that's what it looks like. See how easily it moves and it's not pulling on your hair. So that'll decrease any tension between the clips and your hair itself. So this is the fully customized wig. And then now I'm creating the part that I want. And since mine is a free part closure, I just decided to part it down the middle, but I could do a side part if I wanted to as well. So I did decide to deep condition with my Aussie Moist, and I let that sit on the wig overnight, and I wrapped it up in a plastic bag to really define the curls. If all of your hair doesn't fit in a shower cap, you can use a plastic bag, like I said. And that's pretty much it, how you customize your wig. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button so you get notified every time I upload. Talk to you guys later. Bye.